Math is a wonderful thing.
It's gonna be legendary to me. It's gonna be
Math is a
legendary.
really cool thing. Let's do some math, 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 math.
We have a really simple integer adding problem here. We have negative 17 plus negative 21. Now if we think back to the song, same signs, add and keep. So we're just going to add the numbers and keep the sign. So the sign here is negative, so we know that our answer is going to be negative, so we can put that right there. But we just got to think. We got to add 21 and 17. So 21 plus 17, 8, 38. So our answer is going to be negative 38. And it's just that easy. Here we go again with adding integers. We have negative 25 plus 8 equals. Now if we remember the song, it will say different signs subtract. So because we have negative 25 and a positive 8, we are going to subtract. So over here we're going to go 25 minus 8 equals. So we can borrow here, turn that into a 1, 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 17. So we know that the answer is going to be 17 somehow. It says different signs subtract. Take the sign of the larger number. Okay, so 25 is bigger than 8. So we'll take the negative. And the answer is going to be negative 17. Pretty easy. Here we've got another example of adding some integers. And again, we have different signs. So we have a positive 7 and a negative 13. So different signs subtract. So we'll come over here and we'll go 13 minus 7 actually equals 6. So we know our answer is going to be 6. We've got to find which sign. If we continue on with the song, it's take the sign of the larger number. So 13 is bigger than 7. The answer is going to be negative 6. We've got a little bit harder problem here. 17 plus negative 43. And again, different signs. So different signs subtract, take the sign of the larger number, okay? So we're going to subtract 43 minus 17. Have to do some borrowing here, turn that into a 3. Oops, that's bad 3. 3, carry 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. And the answer is going to be 26. We've got to find out what sign. 43 is bigger than 17. Take the sign with the 43. Take the sign of the larger number. Negative. Negative 26. I'm going to do one more. And here we have negative 8 plus 3 plus negative 17. Now not only are we going to add integers, we're also going to have to use the order of operations. So you know the first thing we're going to have to do is this right here. Negative 8 plus 3. Because we're going to have to add and subtract from left to right, but really there's only adding in this one. So if we have negative 8 plus 3, we know that different signs subtract. So 8 minus 3 is going to be 5. Take the sign of the larger number, which is going to be 8. And we now have negative 5 plus negative 17 equals. Now, same signs, add and keep the sign. So 17 plus 5 is going to be 22. Keep the sign, negative 22.